Here's how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact same steps. On either phone, tap on your profile at the top left. And if you have a premium subscription or a free trial, you'll be able to see your premium. And in my case, I have family. So tap on your premium. And then next to your subscription, tap on the Manage button to the right. Again, it shows you your subscription at the top. Scroll down from here. And at the bottom, tap on Cancel Subscription. You can see it brings you over to a website-based version, but it automatically logs you in, which is really nice. And it says if you cancel your plan now, it'll basically switch over to the free service when the next billing cycle ends, and you can always choose to downgrade. If you wanted to, you can tap on Continue to Cancel and Continue to Cancel. Scroll down from here, and if you're ready to go, just tap on Yes, Cancel at the bottom right, and it will cancel that premium membership. Keep in mind, you will have access until your next billing cycle. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.